and welcome back. This is fascinating news. In Colorado, the Aerospace Corporation has built a new classified space fighting center ready to fight hostile extraterrestrials. Really? What does that mean? Why now? So what have we had in the past to look at ET? Well, what do I know? The US military don't really share stuff with a goat farmer in France. But I do know that Wright-Patterson Air Force Base is a centre of excellence for looking at weird stuff. In the UK, Boscombe Down was always where strange space material was sent to be examined. And then there was the Lunar Receiving Laboratory, where returning Apollo astronauts would be quarantined for 10 days to see if they had space bugs inside them. And no doubt they could deal with any alien threats. But even that facility wasn't seen to be enough. And in Nevada, 5 stories underground, a laboratory with a nuclear device that would blow it up would examine strange... No, that's the plot from the Andromeda Strain. But you never know. So is this new Colorado facility really Project Wildfire from the Andromeda Strain? The CEO of Aerospace Corporation says, "Our job is to examine space advanced system concepts and educate operators in a variety of threat scenarios." He went on to say, "We are developing advanced space warfighting concepts that are crucial to outpacing the threats we face from space."
Some of the hardest problems in the world exist far above the planet. Our job, to launch the smartest solutions, to protect our satellites, clean up our clutter, to propel breakthroughs in propulsion, to learn more about our place in the universe, to outpace emerging threats. Every day, the Aerospace Corporation uses the latest technologies to ensure our nation's safety and leadership in space.
Nick Pope, ex-Ministry of Defense UFO program, said, "The facility is a cutting-edge part of the US government's wider space policy. It has a dual role to combat US enemies in our space as well as any potential hostile extraterrestrials." So the big question is there a UFO connection? Well, I think it's odd that this new corporation, a new science facility, has been built right now with such a great interest and funding from Congress into UAPs. What are they trying to tell us? What I do know is the Space Threat Facility has hired over 250 engineers and scientists to look at threats from outer space. Wow. And the final word goes to Stephen King, who says, "Is there intelligent life in the universe? And if so, is it a threat to planet Earth?" So the big question that I like to ask today is the Space Fighting Center set up to fight terrestrial foes or extraterrestrial foes? The truth is out there.